Alright, we got a furnace that's not working. Just popped the panel off. We're gonna jump this and see what's going on here. Cause I have that right there. So we got this little makeshift jumper. We got R to W. See what's going on. There's our call for heat. Nothing. 3 flashes. 3 flashes, first stage pressure switch stuck open, not closing. Well, it's not closing because our inducer ain't doing anything. So let's check voltage coming in. We're gonna check voltage coming into the board and going out of the board. There's a old zip tie to hold it in. And we are gonna check voltage to our L1. I gotta come up from underneath over here. So we're getting voltage into the board. Inducer's not kicking on, so let's see what's going on here. We'll take off our inducer plug and check right out the unit. So we can leave one on neutral. And we'll leave one on this is our ignition, this is our inducer. So we'll start with our inducer high. And let's see if we get voltage. Nothing. So I think we're gonna have a control board issue. Our inducer is spinning freely. We're gonna run through our safeties real quick just to verify. This one should be closed. This is our high limit. Closed. Roll out should be closed. That one's closed. So that one's closed. And this one should be open. Open. All right. Put that back. Put that back. Inducer spins freely. I'm gonna say it's an issue with the control board. We'll get ourselves a new control board and try it out. All right, so I was able to acquire a board. It's not a brand new one, but the furnace was working on this unit, so cleaned it up a little bit. Let's go ahead and swap it out and go from there. So I have everything except control voltage wired in, which I verified we were getting at first. So now what we're gonna do is go R to W, R to W. Get those jumped on. Damn, dude. That's tough. All right, so we got our leads into the inducer. Basically on this side, it's just another Molex plug. Same thing where I was testing at first. And if we weren't getting it here, we definitely weren't getting it up there. So now I gotta jump to heat. I'm gonna start it up. We get the amber light, letting us know it's heat. Uh-oh. I didn't think that one through. Let's move you. But you guys seen the voltage, inducer kicked on. We'll run through the whole setup to make sure it's heating. Start it again. Seconds later. There's that relay for the blower. Let's see if it kicks on. Blower spinning. Heater's up and running. We'll take everything off. Put in our control voltage and then we'll run it again. See what's going on. All right, so we're gonna have to raise this just to get it started. Call for heat. Igniter, nothing jumped. Now we just wait for looking at some good flames. Okay, I think we're solid here. Another one bites the dust. Here's that board. Not really seeing anything. Other than possibly this one. And that goes to our inducer. You see that crack on that solder joint? Other than that, I don't see any corrosion. Shit happens. If you don't got a door switch, zip ties. They work. Stuff them in there, push it down. They work. Time to wrap this thing up. Old furnace, very neglected, but we're still getting them heat. That's how we get down over here.